My name is Cristian Euvin. I am from Lovina, and my team is conformed by Aviles and Santillan. So we can start this topic, science and pseudoscience. So we can start discussing this topic. First of all, we need to know what is pseudoscience. Pseudoscience consists of claims, beliefs, or practices presented as being plausible scientifically, but which are not justifiable by the scientific method. A topic, practice, or body of knowledge can reasonably be considered pseudoscientific when it is presented as consistent with the norms of scientific research, but it demonstrably fails to meet these norms. Pseudoscience is often characterized by the following: contradictory, exaggerated, or unprovable claims, reliance on confirmation bias rather than rigorous attempts at refutation, lack of openness to evaluation by other experts, an absence of systematic practices when developing theories. The term pseudoscience is often considered pejorative because it suggests something is being presented as science inaccurately or even deceptively. Accordingly, those termed as practicing or advocating pseudoscience often dispute the characterization. There are a lot of differences between science and pseudoscience. For example, when we talk about mysteries, science wants to well science objective is to solve mysteries. Science objective is to solve mysteries, but pseudoscience tends to emphasize the existence and supposed unsolvability of mysteries. This is a rather sterile position, since if a mystery is by definition insoluble, then why wasting one's time thinking about it? It is also a casual approach to evidence. Evidence is the cornerstone that sets aside science from any other human intellectual endeavor, including philosophy. Given its pivotal role, admissible evidence has to be solid and reliable. If we cite a fact, we have to be reasonably sure that it indeed corresponds to a verifiable piece of evidence. Hearsay is not admissible. Irrefutable hypothesis. Scientific progress can be made only if a hypothesis is at least potentially open to dismissal. If your hypothesis is not refutable, no matter what the evidence, then it is useless.